It's never, ever, ever too late to start from where you are. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and you will learn something new. I hope that you watch this video all the way to the end because that is what keeps me visible on YouTube. Keep watching and share this video with someone else. It is very, very important because when you share it and somebody watches it all the way to the end, it tells YouTube that you love my videos and they'll continue to show it to other people. Because right now, that's not happening. I need all your help. I have this one color eyeshadow look on. I hope you have seen that video and watch it all the way to the end. And now I'm going to take this day makeup look to a night look. So keep watching and let's see what I changed this day look to look fabulous, stunning, and beautiful for a night out. You with me? Keep watching. I have a flat side of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came in the Jackie Aina palette. And I have my glitter glue because it's a night out and you want to make it worth your while. So I'm going to do that. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. I am having a good day. There are a lot of things going on behind the scenes. As you heard in one of my videos, my dad did wander away. You know, he has early stages of dementia, but everything else is good. I also went for my bone scan and it says that I have osteoporosis. Not all the way, but just some parts of my bones. I am fine. I am doing well. I am not in pain. But this is what menopause gave me. And I am okay. Really and truly, I am okay. I wake up in the morning, I say my prayers, and I move along my day. I am a stay-home wife, so I find things to keep me occupied. I always love encouraging people. So while I am applying makeup to stay beautiful and add and enhance to my features, I like to encourage you because I don't want you to ever give up on yourself. Never give up on yourself. It is too important to you not to give up on you. Your life depends on you. Do not give up on yourself. That is what I come here and talk to you about and encourage you and lift you up and let you know that you are not alone and you will never be alone and you're not the only one. You are not the only one. There are people going through things behind the scenes and when they show up on camera, they are different. This is my life. I don't pretend. I don't act like I have everything together. I do it in front of the camera with you. What you see here is what you get. I am like that behind the scenes. I am very, very courageous. I am very, very uplifting behind the scenes. And I do the same in front of the camera. So don't think that when I show up here, I am different. No, if you meet me in person, I am that person. I will laugh my butt off and I will hug you and I'll remind you that we are all in the trenches. Remember, you are important. I'm going to take the same brush. I'm going to go into a shimmer. There is this shimmer right here. I'm going to go into it. But yeah, menopause has given me osteoporosis. And like I always told you, I had extreme menopause. I was on the severe end of menopause. So something was going to happen. You know what I mean? And for that reason, I always stayed with a positive frame of mind. It is not what happens in your life that is an issue, it is how you handle it. Handle it honestly. Don't pretend. Don't say, I'm handling it fine just to please other people. Handle it properly and with courage, faith, hope, love, joy, because it is you. And if that's not you and you feel that you need to cry, cry. I told my husband and my 3 young men about it once I got the results. Everybody needs a community. Find yours. My own, my family is my friends, and that's who I tell whatever is happening to me. I don't hide sickness. I don't have that kind of time and energy. I rather put my energy towards how to handle things that are happening to me than to put energy behind hiding it. No way, Jose. I'm not doing that. So on my end, I am good. I wake up, I do things like regular folk does. I am breathing. I am healthy. I am good. I am strong. And I just live day to day, and I make every day count, honey, every day. Because I've learned that long time ago. What you live for tomorrow, you might never get to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is always today. And today is always now. So that's what's going on. Now the lips. I want to do the lips because this is going to be a night look, right? So I'm going to take this gloss, sparkly gloss, and I'm going to put it on my lips. Okay, right now I have a matte. This lip color is very matte, but now I'm going to make it a night look. Are we looking night yet? Woohoo! This is coming along. I'm going to change a little of the blush. The blush I'm going to use is the Juvia's Place. I love this one. This one right here. So I'm going to put it on top of the minted one I have from the first look. When you're going out, you want to go out and have some fun. And now we need to put a little highlighter, right? Let's get a little highlighter. I have the Pat McGrath here. It's the trio. I swatched these 2 shades. One has a pink and the other one has a gold. I think I'll go with the pink. See it right here? This is the pink right here. I don't know if you can see the shift. They look white, but you can see the pink right up here. That's what tells me the difference. Okay, now I think I took a little too much, but we will all see if I did. Okay, so see what it looks like? This is pretty. I don't use highlighters often, but when I do, I enjoy it. Because half of them I forget. Highlighter, correctors, I usually tend to forget them. Okay, let me fix the hair and we will have a night look and ready to go out and party, right? Hold on. Okay, did I bling this eye look for a nighttime? This is a nighttime look. That's the eyes and the lips. And I changed the earrings, and you saw I changed the blush and the little highlighter. Can you see it? So pretty. I am loving it. I'm still holding my eyes that way so you can see. If I look at you, but if I go like this, it's completely different. That's the thing with hooded eyes. You gotta fix it in a way that you can see your beautiful colors on there. I want to thank you very, very much for listening to my story times, my real life situations, and the encouragement and all the good things. And as usual, I love you dearly. I am fine. I have a strong community behind me. You. Without you, I would not be on YouTube doing anything. If you were not there, I would not be here. So for you, I am thankful. I am doing very well. I am healthy. All my blood work came back very good. I am well. My spiritual soul is in excellent shape. So when I do come here and I tell you something that is going on with me, it is not for you to feel sad or sorry or pitiful, but it is for you to just know, hey, I have that. Many other people might have it. You know what I mean? So I'm just sharing those things with you so you know. But other than that, all is well with my soul. Nighttime look again from day to night. What a difference. Can you see this? From day to night. Anyways, I will see you shortly. Remember to watch this video all the way to the end. Share this video with someone else. Also go on my channel and just run a playlist. Let YouTube see that my videos are being played. I appreciate you always. Always remember you are first. Love yourself dearly. Never give up on yourself or your dreams or your goals. We all have things in life we are striving for. Some of us have reached it, some of us have not. But it's a process because life is a process. So keep going as slow as you can or as fast as you can because we're all at different levels in our life. And we'll get there. We will get there. It's never, ever, ever too late to start from where you are. I hope this video was helpful to you. Again, see you shortly from day to night. Bye.